Good morning, children. Today, let us will see history civics. Next lesson, political parties. Before going to start this lesson, dear children, once you recall 9th standard first and second lesson, so there we discussed about the political parties. Okay, political parties. Okay, political parties. So you might know about the political parties in the modern democracy, because every 5 years, okay, every 5 years elections are going to conduct to the Lok Sabha as well as to the state assembly and local bodies in India. Okay, in India. So each and every person has known about the political parties, because in the modern world the political parties are playing an important role to making the laws in the government. Okay, in the government. So 100 years ago some of the countries had conducted elections to the government. Okay, and also now some of the important democracy countries are following the election system and political party system in the democracy. Okay, now let us see what is political party. Okay, what is political party? See, a political party is a group of people. Okay, it is a group of people. Simple definition: political party is a group of people who come together to contest in election. Who come together? Okay, who come together to contest in election and hold power in the government. This is called political party. So simple definition: political party is a group of people who come together to contest in the election. So after the election they hold the power in the government. For example, you see, in a general election, which political party means what? Political party is a group of people. Okay, is a group of people so who come together to contest in the election. So in general elections, you know the different political parties are contesting in the election. So in that election, which political party will win, that political party will hold the power in the government. This is known as political party. Okay, political party means the political party is a group of people who come together to contest in the election and hold the powers in the government is called political parties. Okay, political parties. In India, so many political parties are there. Some political parties are the national political parties. Some political parties are the regional political parties or the state political parties. So about that we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, in the next class. Hope you understood about the meaning of the political parties. Okay, political parties. So now let us will see, this is the most important. So which are the components of the political parties? In a political party, which are the important components? In a political party, who should be there? So first one, the leader. Okay, second, the active members. Third one, the followers. In a political party, these three components should be there. First one, the leader. Okay, so take any one political party, for example BJP, you take Congress and other parties. So in that political party a leader should be there. Okay, and active members. So who are the active members? You know, all the elected members of that particular parties. Okay, particular parties are the active member of that political parties. For example BJP or Congress, who are elected through, okay, who are elected in the name of the political parties, that people or the active member of that political parties and the followers. And each and every political parties have their own followers in the democracy. So these are all the important components of the political parties. You have to remember which are the components of the political parties: leader, active members and the followers. So now let us will see, this is the most important, which are the important functions of the political parties. Okay, which are the important functions of the political parties? So first one is parties contest in election. The political parties are contesting in election. This is the most important function. Okay, function of the political party. See, all political parties are contesting in election. Okay, in an election in the country. Okay, in the country. For example, so national political parties, the regional political parties, they are contesting in the elections of the state legislature, Lok Sabha election, or the local body election in the name of the political parties. Okay, in the name of the political parties. After contesting in the elections only, they will hold the powers in the government. They will run the government powers and they will run the government in the country. So this is the most important. Which one? The all political parties contest in the election. Okay, contest in the election. Second one, parties, political parties form and run the government. Okay, political parties form and run the government. So how the political parties will form the government? See, every 5 years when the election commission is going to conduct elections to the Lok Sabha as well as to the state legislature or the local bodies, in that election the different political parties are contesting in the election. So in that general election, which political party will win the majority, means which political party will win the highest seat, that political party will form the government. Okay, so which political party will form the government? In the general election, which political party will get the highest seats or the majority, that political party will form the government. Later, that elected political party will run the government. Okay, will run the government. So all the elected member of the majority party will select the one person as a leader. Okay, one person as a leader, and that leader will become a CM of the chief minister of the states or the prime minister of the country. Understood? Second one, the political parties form and run the government. Okay, form and run the government. Third one, political parties play a decisive role in making the laws. This is the most important function of the political parties. Okay, political parties. So these political parties are playing an important role in the making the laws in the country. Okay, making laws in the country. How you know? Suppose any government is going to implement or going to introduce the new law to the people, that law should take the support, or that law should take the support by the elected members in the state legislature or the Lok Sabha. Okay, or in the parliament. Okay, so and who are the member of the parliament? All the members. Okay, all the members are elected from the different political parties, and some of the members are elected and individually from their constituencies. Okay, so there the ruling party will play an important role to making the laws in the country, and at the same time opposition party. So opposition party will also play an important role in the making the law. Suppose that new law is violating the fundamental duties of the citizens, immediately that opposition party will oppose the introducing the new laws in the parliament. Okay, so this political party is most important in the democracy, because the ruling party and opposition party will play an important role in the making of the what? The laws in the country. And fourth one, the political parties put forward different policies and programs. The political parties put forward different policies and programs to the people, because the people choose these peoples to the parliament or the state legislature, because the elected members are the responsible to the citizens. Okay, responsible to the citizens because they are elected by the citizens, by the people. So the political parties put forward the different policies and programs to the people because they are elected by the people. And opposition leader rule. This is another important function of the political party, opposition party rule. See, in a general election, which political party will get the second highest seats, that political party will become a opposition party, and there the opposition party members will elect the leader to the opposition in the Lok Sabha. So that opposition leader will always criticize the government, or he always correcting the running government in the democracy or in India. And last one is the most important, the shaping the public. Shaping the public. See, always the political parties are shaping the public opinion. So how the political parties are organizing the rallies, they are conducting the debates. So here these political parties will shaping the public opinion to run the government, And last one, most important, see, all the government programs and plans are reaching to the public by the political parties in the democracy. So these are all the important functions of the political parties in India. So tomorrow let us will see what is the why we need the elections in